Greetings. In today's lesson, I want us to look at extending the patterns. So what you have to note when you're dealing with this part is that you are given several numbers and then you're supposed to determine the continuation of that pattern. So looking at the first one, we are given 12, 20, 28, 36. So remember, for us to determine the next terms, you're supposed to firstly know the rule for the pattern, right? So let me just write this down. So we have 12, we have 20, we have 28, and we have 36. So how do we determine the rule? We look at what happened to 12 for us to get the 20, what happened to 20 for us to get 28, what happened to 28 for us to get 36. So if you check what happened to 12 for you to get a 20, we add an 8. What happened to 20 for us to get 28? We added an 8. What happened to 28 for us to get 36? We add an 8. So for us to find the other terms, it means that we are supposed to use the rule of plus 8. Okay, so let me just remove this and then we determine the next. So 36 plus 8 is going to be 36 plus 8. So take out the 4 remains, so it's gonna be 44. That's number 1. 44 plus 8, so we take out 6 and then 2 remains, so it's gonna be 52. And then 52 plus 8, it's going to be 60. So it means that we have 44, 52, and 60. Tick, tick, tick. I hope this made sense. So jumping to the next, we have 13, 16, 19, 22. So for us to determine the rule, what happened to 13 for us to get 16? So if we say 13 plus 3, we get 16. And then 16 plus 3, we get 19. 19 plus 3, we get 22. So it means that we're going to say 22 plus 3. We are going to get 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 3 is going to be 31. Then you're done. The next we have 23, 29. Okay, 23, 29, 35, 41. So what happened if we say 23 plus 6 is going to be 29. If we say 29 plus 6 is going to be 35. 35 plus 6 is here. So it means that the rule is plus 6 there. So now we're going to say 41 plus 6 is going to be 47. 47 plus 6 is going to be 53. 53 plus 6 is going to be 59. And you're done. So jumping to the next, we have 58, 51, 44, 37. So this one is going down, so it means that the rule is going to be negative. So for us to get 51, they subtracted a 7. 51 minus 7, let's see, so it's 51 minus 7. So if I say 50 minus 7, I'm going to have 43 plus 1 is going to be 44. Very well. So 37 minus 7 is going to be 30. 30 minus 7 is going to be 23. And then 23 minus 7, okay, so it's 20 minus 7, which is going to be 13, plus 3, which is going to be 16. So it means that the next is going to be 16. And you're done. So looking at the next, we have 22, 30, 38, 46. So if we say 22 plus 8 So it means that our rule is going to be plus 8 there, because 30 minus 22 is 8. So it's going to be 46 plus 8. 46 plus 8 is going to be 54. 54 plus 8. 54 plus 8. 2 there, and then 62. And then 62 plus 8 is going to be 70. Well. So jumping to the next, we have 3, 4, 5, 6. So what happened to 3 for us to get 4? We added a 1. So it means that we're going to say 6 plus 1, it's 7, 8, and 9. And you're done. 70, 69, 68, 67. So for us to get 69, what happened to 70? They subtracted a 1. So it's going to be 67, 66, 65, and 64. And the last one we have 71, 65, 59, and then we have 53. Okay, so so we had 71, and then now we have 65. What happened? So let me just say 71 minus 65 is equal to, so I'm going to say 70 minus 65, which is going to give me a a 5. And then I'm gonna say plus 1 is going to be 6. So if we say 71 minus 6 is going to be 65. 65 minus 6 is going to be 59. 59 minus 6 is going to be 53. 53 minus 9, I think the answer, let me see, 53 minus 6 is equal to 47. And then 47 minus 6 is going to be 41. 41 minus 6 is going to be 37. Yeah, I think it's going to be 37. Let me see. So it's 40 minus 6. We're going to, okay, it's 35. So it means it's 47, 41, and 35. And then you are done. I hope this made sense.